Before I begin my address today, let me take this opportunity to pass my deepest sympathies on the passing on of Mr. Hasmukh Patel, the founder of Mombasa Cement, who died last week after a short illness. Mr. Patel was a great individual and philanthropist who strived to help the underprivileged and ran several charity projects, including feeding programs in Mombasa, Kilifi, and Kwale that benefited hundreds of thousands in the 3 counties. Through his kind actions, he has taught us great humility, love, and service to humanity, irrespective of the socio-economic background. He built our nation and our humanity. On my own behalf and on behalf of my family, I pass my deepest sympathies to his immediate family, relatives, his staff, and the people of Mombasa County and Kenyans at large. May his soul rest in peace. Let me request you to stand up. We observe a moment of silence in honor of the late Patel. Thank you very much. Asanteni sana. I'm delighted to join you, farmers and other stakeholders in the agricultural sector, for the opening of this year's ASK Mombasa International Show on behalf of His Excellency President William Ruto, who is out of the country on official duty. This morning, I had a cup of tea, courtesy of the tea farmer. The tea had sugar, courtesy of the sugarcane farmer. The tea had milk, courtesy of the dairy farmer. The beverage was accompanied by some boiled green maize, courtesy of the maize farmer. This explains the importance of this which the government has sustained for years as trade fair platforms for training, networking, and showcasing innovations and best practices in crop and animal husbandry. From the exhibition stands I've sampled, I'm deeply impressed with the emerging technologies. It is clear that the agricultural sector is innovating for enhanced food security and transition to sustainable agripreneurship. Distinguished farmers exhibitors, the agricultural sector contributes 22% directly to our GDP and 27% in interlinked sectors and subsectors like manufacturing. Agriculture employs more than 40% of the population and 70% of our people in the rural areas. It is among our leading foreign exchange earners, plowing in about 33% to the GDP. As underpinned by the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, the government has given priority to the blue economy, edible oils, rice, cotton, tea, coffee, beef, leather, dairy, avocado, macadamia, sugar, and other key value chains. The interventions are bearing fruit. In distribution of 4.69 million bags of subsidy fertilizer to over 800,000 farmers, valued at 11.9 billion Kenya shillings, we have increased